In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jira account. Before we start, keep in mind that your Jira account is part of your broader Atlassian account. Deleting it will affect access to other Atlassian products you use with the same login, like Confluence or Bitbucket. It's a good idea to double-check whether you really want to permanently remove that account, and if needed, back up any important data or check with your team so you don't accidentally lose access to shared projects. First, open your browser and head to your Jira homepage, the area sometimes labeled For You. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual Atlassian credentials. Once you see your Jira dashboard or For You view, look towards the top right corner of the screen where your avatar or profile icon appears. This is usually a small circle showing your initials or a profile picture. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Account Settings. Go ahead and click on Account Settings. This will take you out of the Jira project view and into the Atlassian account management page for your profile. On the account management page, you'll see several sections related to your profile, security, and preferences. Look for the section or tab called Account Preferences. It may appear in a sidebar or as a tab across the top, depending on the layout you're seeing. Click on Account Preferences to open that area. Inside Account Preferences, scroll until you find the option related to deleting your account. There should be a link or button labeled Delete Account. This is the control that starts the deletion process. Before you click it, remember that this is a significant action. Once your account is removed, you won't be able to log back in with it, and depending on your organization's settings, some of your personal data and access may be permanently lost. When you're ready, click on Delete Account. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking you to confirm that you really want to proceed. Read the message carefully, as it often explains what will happen and whether there is any waiting period or recovery window. If you're absolutely sure you want to go ahead, click OK in the confirmation dialog. After you confirm, Atlassian will start processing the deletion of your account. You may receive an email explaining the next steps or confirming that your account is scheduled for deletion. And that's it. You've initiated the deletion of your Jira account.